Alright, so this is where we're going to start. This is Cspire's initiative to come into our neighborhood without consent, without Vaseline, without anything. Just going to come in our neighborhoods, right? It's starting with this church, the Episcopal Church. So we go from here to here. Now the permit says 37th Avenue to start at 2644, I think, 38th Street. Well, this is the corner of the Episcopal Church. Now I live on 36th Avenue. Alright, so you got Cspire here. They're starting here. At 3708 36th Avenue or Place. They're on this side of the street. They're on the left side of the street if you're walking up the street towards my home. Well, show me what it is you want me to see. No, I don't see any Cspire boxes on the right side of the street, which is where I live. Here we go. Here's another one. And we're at 355 something. 3550 36th Avenue. Again, nothing on the right. Here's another on the left. 3542 36th Avenue or Place. Nothing happening on the right. Oh. Let's see. No Cspire boxes. Okay, so we have another neighbor. Now she's on the right side, 3547. And we have another Cspire box on the left at 3538. She has Xfinity. Good morning. Has Cspire come knocking at your door about anything? No? Did you get a tag on your door saying that they were coming to the neighborhood or anything like that? Nothing? And you have Xfinity, right? So do I. Cspire came into my yard and started digging it up yesterday morning. Now, what I'm documenting is that they are installing their own boxes on the left side of the road. So they're trying to do it on the right side.
Well, everybody talks to me.
Right. Exactly. It is crazy, right? But they want to tell me that I'm crazy and that nothing's going on.
Why would they just dig up something without?
Exactly. Exactly. But my name is Joy, and I live at 3523. Do you want to go with Cspire? No. If they were going to be an internet provider of choice, it certainly wouldn't be Cspire. Not in my house.
No.
Maybe and they're kind of slow.
Yeah.
Give me
I'm
Verizon.
Iteria, though.
Huh?
I'm Iteria.
You're Iteria. Okay, Iteria. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, so yeah, they just started digging up my grass, and they're masking themselves as Atmos Energy. But they're installing fiber optic internet cable. So if you see them in your yard, and they started before day on yesterday, I wasn't even up. No one came knocking at my door to ask or say anything to me. Yeah.
Come knocking on my door because I hate to say it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got no-
Yeah. So if they come on your property, you have every right to tell them to get off and don't dig a thing. Okay?
Thank you for letting me know.
Yep, absolutely, Iteria. Have a good day now. Okay, so there's nothing on the right. So what they're trying to do is start their initiative on the right. Again, I don't want you, Cspire. Okay, now this is my home on the right. Look at all of this. Come on, come here. Okay, so this is the initiative here. And this is at 3526. I'm going to go all the way down the street. This is the block. Again, nothing on the right. Just in my yard. Sweets, let's go. Not gonna keep calling you. Okay, again, nothing on the right. This is a neighbor, 3513. Look at all the trash in their yard. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Here's an Atmos truck. Nothing, nothing, nothing on the right. And look, they didn't do anything on the left in this yard. Oh, here we go. This is where it's starting. Okay, so on the left, here's another something that they're trying to do. Their initiative. Now this is where my block stops. Come on. Again, nothing here. Trash. And nothing in my neighbor's yard. $35.15, and this is where they came into my yard yesterday morning, early before day, digging in my yard. Now, we gonna see.